Good morning, students. Now it's time to recapitulate chapter 1 and 3. Chapter 1 is growing plants, and third chapter is safety and first aid. First of all, we will discuss structure of a seed. A seed has three parts. Seed coat, it protects the embryo. Embryo means baby plant. And cotyledons, they provide food to the growing baby plant. It is a dicot seed because two cotyledons are there, and some seeds are monocots also. Next is seed germination, the process by which a seed produces a baby plant or seedling is called germination. Okay, seed gets water from soil and air and heat from atmosphere and it starts germinating. और जो छोटा बेबी प्लांट ग्रो करता है उसका कौन सा पार्ट सबसे पहले ग्रो करता है? रेडिकल. Okay, radical grows downwards and later on it grows into root, and plumule it grows upward and later on it grows into shoot. और जब तक फोटोसिंथेसिस स्टार्ट नहीं होती, food is provided to the growing plant by cotyledons. And next is vegetative propagation. All the plants are not grown from seeds. Okay, some plants are grown from their body parts also, from the plant part also. And the process of growing new plants from their body parts is called vegetative propagation. Like ferns, in ferns, new plants are grown from the spores. इनमें flowers नहीं grow करते. Clear? New plants grow करने के लिए spores help करते हैं. Next, mushroom. Mushrooms में भी spores help to grow the new plant. Then comes bryophyllum. In bryophyllum, leaves help to grow the new plants. From the edges of leaves, plantlets grow. These plantlets later on they grow into new plants. Next is the case of sugarcane. Sugarcane plant is grown from stem cutting. And rose plant is also grown from the stem. Next comes seed dispersal. Seed dispersal means scattering seeds away from the mother plant. What will happen if all the seeds are grown under the mother plant? अगर सभी seeds मदर प्लांट के नीचे जर्मिनेट कर जाएं और सभी प्लांट्स जो हैं न्यू प्लांट्स दे आर ग्रोन अंडर मदर प्लांट, तो दे विल नॉट गेट इनफ एयर, न्यूट्रिएंट्स, सनलाइट और एक्सेट्रा. ओके, वो हेल्दी प्लांट्स नहीं होंगे. तो seeds are needed to be dispersed. So first, see the coconut. Coconut grows near water bodies, so seeds are dispersed by water. Lotus also grows in water. Clear? इसके जो seeds spongy होते हैं and they float in water and they go from one place to another by water currents. Next, very lightweight seeds. Okay, they are dispersed by air. For example, dandelion, maple, etc. Next, some animals they eat the fruits. Okay, in this way they also help to disperse the seeds. And some seeds they have spines and hooks. They can stick to the skin or the clothes of animals. In this way they are also dispersed from one place to another. And some seeds they burst open when they ripe. पकने के बाद उनके जो pods हैं वो खुल जाते हैं pressure से and seeds are scattered in all directions. For example, pea, beans, etc. Next comes agriculture. What is agriculture? The practice of growing plants on a large scale for food and other purposes. हमें प्लांट से फूड मिलता है और क्या क्या चीज़ें मिलती हैं लाइक ऑयल, fiber for making clothes, and then after that fodder for animals, cooking oil. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हमें मिलती हैं प्लांट से. So that's why we grow the plants on large scale. Clear? This is called agriculture. Different steps of agriculture. First is plowing, means हम हल चलाते हैं to lose the soil. Then manuring to get the nutrients for the plants. Then sowing. Sowing means बीज बोना. बीज बोते हैं means बीज बो देते हैं so that we get the new plants. Then irrigation. When plants are grown, they need water. So the process of providing water to the growing plants is called irrigation. Then when crop is grown, it needs protection from insects and pests. So we spray the chemicals. The last one is harvesting. Harvesting means cutting and gathering of the crop. We get the grains. Then next chapter, first of all we will discuss safety from fire. What is the main cause of fire in the kitchen? Electric gadgets, faulty electric gadgets. So we should get them repaired. In case of gas leak, first of all open all doors and windows, then call the gas agency and do not turn any switch on or off. It may cause a blast. And never throw water on burning oil pan. अगर पैन में ऑयल को आग लगी है तो वी शुड कवर इट विद द लिड ऑफ द पैन. हमें पानी नहीं डालना. वाटर कूल्स डाउन बर्निंग सब्सटेंस एंड पुट्स ऑफ फायर. पानी डालने से आग बुझ जाती है. बट never throw water over a fire caused by electricity and oil. In these cases, we have to use fire extinguisher. Then comes first aid. First aid means immediate help given to an injured person before the arrival of a doctor. It saves the life of an injured person. Clear? First aid kit हमारे घर पे होनी चाहिए and we should know how to use, how to give the first aid in different cases. If there is case of dog bite, so we should not ignore it. We should go for anti-rabies treatment because this is fatal disease. Death हो जाती है इस केस में and it affects the nervous system of a person. And if there is a case of snake bite, tourniquet the area to stop spreading poison in the blood. Clear? अगर tourniquet नहीं है तो we can use our hanky. ओके, यहाँ स्नेक बाइट है उससे थोड़ा ऊपर टाइटली बांध देना चाहिए सो दैट कि पॉइजन जो है ब्लड में स्प्रेड ना हो. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी शुड रश टू द डॉक्टर. इमीडिएटली वी शुड गो टू द डॉक्टर. देन रेस्ट इज एसेंशियल इन केस ऑफ स्प्रेन एंड फ्रैक्चर. क्लियर? फर्स्ट एड फॉर फ्रैक्चर एंड स्प्रेन. So we don't have to move the fractured part. We should use a sling or splint. Sling is tight bandage or triangular piece of cloth. घर पे भी बना सकते हैं from a triangular piece of cloth and we can purchase it. Ready-made भी मिलती है. And it is looped around the neck to support the arm and it prevents movement of the broken part also. And what is splint? It is rigid material used for supporting and immobilizing a broken bone. ये भी it prevents the movement of broken part. ये भी broken part को move होने से prevent करता है, उसको उसकी movement को रोक देता है and it supports the broken part also. एंड इन केस ऑफ अ स्प्रेन, फर्स्ट डे हमें क्या करना है, वी शुड सोक द स्प्रेन्ड एरिया इन कोल्ड वाटर एंड सेकेंड डे ऑनवर्ड्स 2 to 3 times we should soak in hot water and after that wrap an elastic bandage. क्लियर? 2-3 दिन में ठीक हो जाता है. एंड व्हाट इज स्प्रेन? इट इज ट्विस्ट इन एंकल और रिस्ट. ओके, रिस्ट में और एंकल में जब ट्विस्ट आ जाता है जॉइंट में, then we call it sprain. This is all about today.